All right, we're going to do a shot count on the Pinty Vanguard in .22, and I will say I put this canopy up. My wife bought this for me, and kind of sprinkling on and off, so this lets me maybe do a little more video when I have time. So let's go ahead. I've got the Crosman 14.3 hollow points, and I'm going to be shooting at my target down there at 30 yards. We're just going to see how many shots we get on the regulator. And then I've got two, since these did so good, the 18.1 JTS's and the AEA center punch, and these are 18.3 grain. So we've got two pellets to test after we do this. Now fill this with the bottle. I'll throw a screenshot. I'll show you what this little canopy, I guess, looks like, and I'll show you what the gauge looked like after I filled everything up. All right, I did not have a wardrobe malfunction. For those of you that didn't watch my last video, my microphone quit halfway through, so I'm using a different camera, different microphone, and we'll see if we can make it through this shot count test. I'm going from rain to sun to wind, and right now it's kind of the best of it's been for a while. So let's see if we can get through the shot count and see where we are, and then I'm going to do the other stuff. Now, one thing I want to say, I picked up a couple of tins of Crosman pellets, and I took a picture I'm going to throw up on here. The tin on the left is made in the USA. The tin on the right is made in Spain, and they both have the same model number, both made by Crosman. The only distinction I can see looking at them is the ones made in the USA, the label is painted on, inked or whatever it is. Then the ones that are made in Spain, those are a decal stuck onto the can. And I'll show you the back of the package. One says made in the USA, one says made in Spain. I don't know. So I've heard a few people talking about this, and I will bring both tins out one day and shoot them in a couple of different air guns and see if we can see a benefit to one over the other. Don't know which one's supposed to be the best. We're just gonna play it by ear. So right now I'm gonna use the hollow points. I can not throw the rifle on the ground again. I came out a few minutes ago getting all this stuff set up the rifle, went inside and came back out, and I didn't have a rifle, and I thought, oh, okay, well, I left the rifle inside. So I went inside, the rifle was not inside. I came back out here and it was laying on the ground. So looks like everything's okay. It landed, I don't know if it landed or bounced. The left side was mostly covered in dirt, but it was laying on its right side, so it bounced over, flipped at least once during that little fiasco. So we'll see what happens here. This is going to be my standard 30-yard test. That's all I've got in my yard without finding some other place. I really haven't found a good place to do that yet. I'm going to have a project coming up soon. I like the Vanguard enough. I bought another one in 177. This one's in .22. Now the wind's going to blow again. This one's in .22. The 177, I'm going to call it a project. And what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to build an air stripper and a shrouded barrel. How much of that I can show, I don't know. But that's what my plan is, to make it super backyard friendly. So let's go ahead and get on with the shot count on this one and see what we can do. I'll start off on the top target. Well, that's not too bad. 876.0. I just filled it, so that generally will be a little bit faster shot. .862.0. .858.8. And if it holds true to what most of my air guns do, it'll kind of settle in now. Usually it takes 2 or 3 shots after I fill one for the regulator to calm down. Huh. 860.4. .861.8. .859.2. And I'm just taking these pellets straight out of the tin. I'm not even really paying much attention to the skirts. I'm just looking for shot count today. It's 60.0. That was number 7. It's an 8-shot magazine. I just didn't want to dry fire. Not during a shot count video anyway. .861 watt. So let's see how many magazines we can get out of this. It was kind of on my last video when I lost the microphone. Once it starts shooting out the target, it was difficult to keep up with how many shots I made. So that's the reason I'm redoing this. I'm thinking, I'm going to say you could get 3 magazines out of this, but I think you're going to be losing velocity on the 3rd magazine. So for me, if I was doing pest control with this, I would do 2 magazines and refill, or tether it, which is what I'm going to do. I've got some couple of pellets to test on it. I've got JTS Dead Center, they're 18.1, and I've got an AEA Cinder Punch, and they are an 18.3 grain. And I'm going to tether it to do those, and that way I don't have to fiddle with the air pressure or wonder why something happened. .862.2. .855.2. .855.3. That's number 12, 855.6. Number 13, 853.8. Number 14, 856.6. Number 15, 854.7. Oh, quite a drop there. .854.0. Get this next magazine loaded. I don't want to cut the video because Some people have trust issues. He cheated. Added to the video. Well, I don't ever edit the video to cheat. So, and after some period of time, you'll either trust me or you won't. This thing is really wanting to jump off here. That one's fighting back for some reason. Oh, I see what I did. I pushed it all the way through. That's my fault. I'll just let it fall on out and we'll do that one again. That was much easier. I tried to convince it to go backwards and it didn't want to do that. Alright, so we're going to start on magazine number 3. I fast forwarded through that because all the footage is still there, but didn't waste as much time. Alright, so we should be going on shot number 17. .858.8. .52.5. Maybe we're trailing off. That was, I think that was 18. Well, I'll look on the next one. This is number 19, 852.5. .840.8. Okay, so I think we're off the regulator now. That was number 28, 28.1. So yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish these out at 30 yards. If you're plinking, you can get 3 magazines, I'm pretty sure. See where these go. That was 817. That was number 22. That was 799. That was 23. Didn't feel like it chambered anything. I don't know, we'll see. Pretty sure that said 23. Yep, says 23. I didn't feel that one go in. We'll see what it does. It did not. Oh, here's number 24 laying on my table. All right. So you see, we were falling off the regulator anyway. So I'm gonna say you could get, if you're just plinking at 30 yards or less, you could do 3 magazines and be pretty happy about it. If I was doing pest control, I would personally do 2 magazines and be happy about that. So let me get my tank and I'm going to tether this, and then we're going to try some other pellets. And we'll edit this part of it because we just got the shot count out of the way. That's the only thing that I didn't want to have any questions on. All right, the wind got crazy. I had to sit out here and hold my canopy down so it wouldn't fly away. So I'm going to cut this video off here, and I'm going to show you how to tether the air gun to this bottle in the next video. I think this one's probably gone on too long anyway. So I appreciate everybody. I'm going to throw a video up over here you might like. YouTube's going to throw one down here you might like. I'll catch you in one of those, or I'll catch you down the road.